Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. European Union and US agree trade deal with 15% tariffs for European exports to America. US European Union tariff deal, a big Trump win, but not a total defeat for Brussels. Thailand Cambodia holds ceasefire talks in Malaysia after deadly clashes. Wildfires threaten Turkey's fourth largest city. Heavy rain kills 4 in China as flood warnings issued in 11 provinces. Let's look into details. The United States and European Union have agreed a trade deal ending a months-long standoff between two of the world's biggest economic partners after make-or-break negotiations between President Donald Trump and European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen in Scotland. The pair agreed a US tariffs on all EU goods of 15%. That is half the 30% import tax rate Trump had threatened to implement starting on Friday. He said the 27-member bloc would open its markets to US exporters with 0% tariffs on certain products. After weeks of tense negotiations between their top trade officials, the European Union and US have finally struck a framework deal, and it comes on the eve of America's latest round of tariff talks with China. Ultimately, it took leaders from Washington and Brussels to sit down face to face to reach Sunday's agreement. That's something we have also seen with the other deals that President Donald Trump has struck, his personal involvement in what has pushed them over the line, even when the prospects of a breakthrough didn't seem bright. Ceasefire talks have started between Thai and Cambodian leaders in Malaysia in an urgent effort to resolve deadly border clashes that entered a fifth day despite mounting international calls for peace. Thailand's acting prime minister and Cambodia's prime minister are holding ceasefire talks on Monday in Malaysia's administrative capital of Putrajaya at the official residence of Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, the chair of the regional bloc ASEAN. Wildfires near Bursa forced 3,500 people to flee as Turkey battles dozens of blazes amid extreme heat. Residents and firefighters attempt to extinguish a wildfire as smoke and flames rise from a forested area in the Gursu district of Bursa. Huge fires around Bursa, Turkey's fourth largest city, broke out over the weekend, leading to more than 3,500 people fleeing their homes. On Monday morning, fog-like smoke from fires and smoldering foliage hung over the city. A landslide triggered by unusually heavy rain has killed 4 people and left 8 others missing in northern China's Hebei province, state media reports, as authorities issue flood warning in capital Beijing and at least 11 provinces. The landslide in a village near Chengdu city was due to heavy rainfall. Authorities relocated more than 4,400 people as relentless rain continued to pound the suburban area of Miao in Beijing, causing flash floods and landslides affecting many villages. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channel GTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.